Tens of thousands of vaccine doses are expected in Oregon in the next few weeks, as soon as they're approved. We already know healthcare workers and vulnerable populations will be first in line. But our Lindsay Nadritz found out what you need to know about the vaccines when they become available, because, Lindsay, there's so much we don't know about how they'll be distributed.
Yeah, well, there are a lot of questions and concerns as we wait for these vaccines to be approved. So I took some of those key questions to a doctor with the Oregon Health Authority. Although rare, the CDC says there have been cases where someone gets COVID-19 a second time. So I asked Dr. Joe Sullivan, a senior health advisor with the Oregon Health Authority, should someone who's already had COVID-19 and recovered get vaccinated?
The answer is going to be yes.
Dr. Sullivan said there is a difference between the antibodies you get from the vaccine and having natural immunity, meaning you had COVID and recovered.
The antibodies that come from the vaccines will be specifically for the spike protein, that little knobby thing on the outside of the coronavirus.
The CDC can't yet comment on whether people who had COVID-19 should get a vaccine. However, Dr. Sullivan said natural antibodies can go away over time, so he recommends everyone get vaccinated.
Because we don't know, again, about those with natural disease, how long their protection will last. And so we're going to find out as a society.
If you get vaccinated, you'll have to get 2 shots.
And that second shot is like a booster. It's like a booster shot that really launches the amount of antibodies. And it's a week to 2 weeks afterwards that we say, you are good to go. You're really immune and protected from this disease.
When it comes to side effects, doctors report most people only experienced a sore arm, like if you get a tetanus shot, a low-grade fever, and fatigue.
Both of these major trials was about 75,000 people. There were no serious adverse events noted in either trial. That's remarkable.
Well, I also asked Dr. Sullivan about those antibody tests that are now available and if he recommends getting one. He said no, because they can be expensive. He also said your antibodies can go away over time. So even if you had COVID, it may not show up if it's been too long on the antibody test. He also said they get a lot of false positives, so it's not really a great indicator. Reporting live, I'm Lindsay Nadritz, KOIN 6 News.